Standard 6th, Subject General Science, Unit 7th, Nutrition and Diet. Hello students, we are learning about our 7th lesson, Nutrition and Diet. In the previous video, we have learnt about constituents of food or nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins and minerals. Today, we are going to learn about nutrients, vitamins, fiber and water. Let's learn about vitamins first. There are two types of vitamins, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and vitamin C dissolve easily in water, so they are called water soluble vitamins. They are easily absorbed into the tissues of the body. They are thrown out of the body through the water in sweat and urine. Hence, a regular supply of these vitamins is essential. There are some important types of vitamin B. They are B1, B2, B3, B6, B9 and B12. Okay. Next, water insoluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E and K are insoluble in water but are soluble in fatty substances. They are called fat soluble vitamins. They get stored in the body. Students, here in this table we have given information about vitamins, their importance, their sources and deficiency diseases. Vitamin A protects our eyes. It helps to keep skin, bones and teeth healthy. We get vitamin A from carrot, milk, butter, dark green vegetables, sweet potatoes, deep yellow fruits and vegetables. Due to lack of vitamin A, we can cause night blindness. Night blindness is inability to see in dim light, रातांधळेपणा, as well as we cause xeroderma, that is dry skin. Then vitamin B1. It helps in proper functions of nerves and heart. चेतातंतूंचे व हृदयाचे कार्य नीट होण्यास मदत होते. Sources of vitamin B1 are milk, fish, meat, cereals, nuts, pulses, etc. Deficiency diseases due to lack of vitamin B1 are beriberi and muscle weakness or inefficiency. बेरीबेरी चेतातंतूंचा आजार, अति अशक्तपणा. Vitamin B9 is useful for the growth of the body. We get vitamin B9 from deep yellow vegetables, papayas, kiwis, etc. Due to lack of vitamin B9, we cause improper growth, anemia, forgetfulness and slow movements. Then vitamin B12. It is necessary for formation of red blood cells. We get vitamin B12 from meat and milk products. We cause anemia due to lack of vitamin B12. Next vitamin is vitamin C. It protects body tissues. Vitamin C is necessary for formation of collagen, a protein essential for gums, teeth, bone and skin. We get vitamin C from amla, kiwi, oranges and other citrus fruits, cabbage, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, etc. Deficiency diseases caused due to lack of vitamin C are scurvy, that is bleeding of gums, thyroid malfunction, गलग्रंथी सुजणे and delay in healing of wounds. जखमा लवकर बऱ्या होत नाहीत. Next vitamin is vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential to absorb calcium and phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth. We get vitamin D from sunlight as well as from some substances like milk, fish, eggs and butter. If there is deficiency of vitamin D, We cause rickets, that is softening of the bones, causing pains and fractures. Then vitamin E. It is useful for smooth functioning of metabolism inside the cells, reproduction, maintaining efficiency of muscle cells. Sources of vitamin E are wheat germ, green leafy vegetables, tender leaves, vegetable oil, etc. Due to lack of vitamin E, we cause weak muscles, obstruction in reproduction, skin disorders. Next vitamin is vitamin K. It helps in clotting of blood. रक्त साकळण्यास मदत होते. Sources of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables, green cabbage, broccoli, sprouted pulses, yellow of eggs, etc. We cause excessive bleeding after an injury if there is deficiency of vitamin K. Students, always remember, some vitamins are very sensitive to heat and light. For example, vitamin C is easily destroyed during cooking. Therefore, vitamin C rich foods should be eaten raw. Okay, next. Let's take information about the discoverer of vitamins, Casimir Funk. He was born at Poland in Europe in 1884. In a scientific article, he read that people who ate brown rice were less likely to get beriberi than those who ate fully milled rice. तांदूळ पूर्णपणे पॉलिश केल्याने त्यातील पौष्टिक घटक, जीवनसत्वे निघून जातात. त्यामुळे बेरीबेरी हा आजार होतो. Beriberi is a disease caused by vitamin B1 deficiency. He realized that the substances were added to keep people healthy and to stop them getting diseases. Casimir called the substances vital amines. He put the two words together making vitamins, and later the E was taken away making vitamins. He discovered now called vitamins B1, B2, C and D. He also proposed deficiency disorders like scurvy, pellagra and rickets were also caused by a deficiency of various vitamins. Okay, next nutrient is fiber. We have included vegetables, fruits, sprouts and cereals in our diet. Then we will get fiber in sufficient quantity. Here, two questions are given in the section. Can you recall? What trouble do we have to face if we do not get enough fiber from our daily diet? There is a problem of constipation. Constipation, बद्धकोष्ठता, मलावरोध म्हणजे शौचास साफ होत नाही. As well as the obesity is also caused due to lack of fibers in our diet. Obesity, लठ्ठपणा. Next question is, what care must be taken to make sure that fiber is not lost or removed from the food we eat? Food should not be overcooked. Do not peel the fruits and vegetables. Eat the fruits with skin. Then water. Along with all the other nutrients, the body also needs an adequate supply of water. For this purpose, we must drink milk, buttermilk, lemon juice, sharbats, fruit juices and plenty of water. Okay, be healthy. Bye.